So for penny ya one of the presbyter sorry na no wo man Ghana mu ye Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Oparekwache or de to nana matsan kunya nyina ni mu se wonfa won ho enyimu nana mu so nkasa emfa galamsey no eho sebeya ebebrase.
Moderator the Presbyterian Church of Ghana, Right Reverend Dr. Abraham Nana Oparekwache eni edi eto nananmo himfo won mo mai mu nyina enemu se won mo emu ase ne be ye fama gudi tu emfa kwampa so yi won betumi aboa abanye no akon edi eti asade no ebra wakasa ewo Brunga Hafo Presbytery nananmo fellowship or hye so Ebenezer Presbyterian Church no ewo sunyane na odi sansem we se eto adem kase ama ne boni obono mantemu Christian for yukuma enim
assembly we so Ghana se in baby yeka ye chiana kaka na ye kama emie peye enuni oyade bia aba ye nkro ha wo friend say galamsey kom ha de enze mu tu galamsey mo de mo kan nanso galamsey no ade eri hawye Nanano Mesrem Ambrasim. Who's the million hour? Metao at the Akasasi. Mesrem.
I want to mind him the mass in a traditional area, or therefore German sign boy in Kokotosumi, and soon Casayemo, what Chessie and no more Edwin to my boy buying Demos and Ebeya, if I'm good to Enfa Campus, no, over to me at Tuasie.
Namakasim said, young here, if you move, you super than the lecture. Na the woman I will say, yeah, you better move you mean soon, if you say so, and then you say, bottle water about a bro 1 city. Now that one, I know okay. If you wish to have a with you, and if I multiply by a year, no scared, you get to soon one, and only at there, yes, you say, I'm not going to share her. At the fact, as a man, now you're not making a offer. In this, you can't call the money for you.